Okay, ang lesson natin ngayon is that of going back to some basics in math, no? Among many, how to divide variables, no? Similar as the same variable with different exponents. Okay, so what do we do? If the variable is the same, what do? We simply copy the variable x. And then what do we do with the exponent? We simply subtract. Okay, no? So that's why what we did here is we simply subtract 3 minus 2. Okay, giving us x to the first power, no? Now, if a variable is raised to the first power, it is what do? We simply copy the variable. Understood na if you write x, understood na it is raised to the first power. Okay? So, ganito ka-simple, no? Yung paraan on how to divide variables, the same variables, x, having different exponents. Okay, ang exponent dito ay 3 and 2. So, again, what do we do with the exponent? We subtract. Kaya naging x minus 2 equals x to the first. Okay? O ganun lang.